Hello बच्चों, the question is the person showing in the figure are affected by the certain disease. Identify the correct about this disease. Option A, I caused by the Wucheria bancofrit and Wucheria malai, and 2 caused by Epidermophyton and Microsporum. B, 1 is elephantiasis, 2 is ringworm. C, 1 caused by nematodes and second caused by fungi, and D, all of the above. So the first image given the first image given is your elephantiasis. Elephantiasis. Now, elephantiasis is caused by your nematode known as Brucheria, Brucheria banc, bancrophit and Brucheria, Brucheria malai. Now, in elephantiasis, there is a chronic inflammation, chronic inflammation of the lymphatic vessels occur. Lymphatic vessels are occur. Lymphatic vessels are occur due to which lymphatic vessels are occur, especially in the lower lymph. In the lower lymph, due to which the legs look like the legs are swell. The legs are swell and look like the elephant legs. Look like elephant legs. That's why it is also called as elephantiasis and or it is also called as filaris. Okay, so this is your ringworm. This is your elephantiasis. Okay, this is your elephantiasis. And the second one is your ringworm. Is a ringworm which caused by the fungi known as microsporum, 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 trichophyton, trichophyton, and epidermophyton, and epidermophyton, epidermophyton. Now, this this fungus is responsible for the ringworm infection in which the skins are lesions. The skins are lesions. Skins are lesion due to which the itching, redness, the affected area become redness, itching. So these are some symptoms in your ringworm infection. Normally ये कहाँ कहाँ पे होता है? Scalp between the toes, between the toes, on the scalp between the toes and etc. Okay, और ये रिंगवर्म कैसा है? इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज है. From one person to another by the uses of personal items such as towels, then combs, तो इनसे भी ये इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड हो सकता है. तो ये क्या है? आपका रिंगवर्म है. तो लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट कॉजेज बाय द ब्रूचेरिया बैंक्रॉफ्टी एंड ब्रूचेरिया मलाई. सेकेंड कॉज बाय एपिडर्मोफाइटोन एंड माइक्रोस्पोरम. तो ये भी राइट है. बी, वन इज योर एलिफेंटाइसिस एंड टू इज रिंगवर्म. यस, ये भी राइट है. C, caused by the nematode. So now elephantiasis is caused by the nematode known as Wucheria bancofrit and Wucheria malai, and second is caused by the ringworm. Second, which is ringworm caused by the fungi known as Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton. तो ये भी क्या है? सही है. So all of the above is your right answer. All of the above is your right answer. I hope you will understood this concept. Thank you and best of luck.